One afternoon, Amina sat on a small blue suitcase outside her new house. She misses her old home. She misses her old school. But most of all, she misses her grandma. Amina and her family had to move to South Africa after the war started in their country. Loud noises, broken buildings, and streets filled with fear. They had to move to a safer place for Amina's safety. Everything felt new. The language sounded different, the children at school spoke different, and Amina felt alone. On her first day at her new school, she waited by the classroom door for a new teacher and held onto her backpack. A boy with curly hair came to her. "Hi," he said. "My name is Liam. Do you want to sit next to me?" Amina just nodded. During break time, Liam showed her where the swings were. He shared his sandwich with her. One day, the teacher asked the class to bring something special from home for show and tell. Amina was nervous. For show and tell, she opened a suitcase. Inside was a small thing she had brought from home. A family photo, a tiny teddy bear, and a yellow scarf her grandma knitted for her. "This is my suitcase," she said quietly. "This carries my memories." The class listened carefully. When I feel sad, I look at all these things, and this reminds me that I am strong. My grandma always told me, hope is like a little light. Even when things are dark, the light stays alive. Then Liam started clapping. Everyone started to clap. For the first time in a long time, Amina did not feel alone. After a few weeks, Amina became more brave. She laughed more, answered questions in class. She even taught her classmates a song from her country. One day, the teacher placed a big glass jar on her desk. "This is our hope jar. When someone feels sad or worried, we write happy thoughts or kind messages and place them inside." Amina's note said, "Hope means making people feel safe and loved." By the end of the term, the hope jar was filled. On the last day of school, Amina looked around her classroom. It no longer felt strange anymore. It felt like home.